Okay, so my name is Omobolanle Olagunju. I work with the Health Innovation of West Coast, and I work within the evaluation team as Evaluation Project Support Officer. Like I mentioned just now, I work within the evaluation team. So I'm always looking for ways opportunities to improve my knowledge and skills, see how I can better function within my team and, work better, do my work more efficiently and effectively. So I saw this course and I thought, okay, that'll be interesting. So then I signed up for it. Yeah. I would say it was very interesting. This is the first time I'll be involved in a course with this type of format. You do the course and then you're given, and on the course you're given step by step what to do, and then you do assignments and then you come back to it. So this is the first time I'll do something with this type of format. So it was really interesting. So I like the fact that I can go back to the recording. You always send back to the recording, so I could go back to the recording and also the slides deck just to do a recap of what was done. And like I said about the assignment, I like having that challenge to work on the assignments after each session and go through it. Yeah, so it was really nice to see how each session came together and to form part of the final commentary. Is it a commentary or report at the end? Yeah, so it was really nice to see how everything came together. Yeah. So I think being able to know step by step how to appraise an economic evaluation paper, and especially starting with which article to search, which journal article to search for, how to actually do the search so you can find the correct articles to use. I particularly like there was this was it the first or the second session that we did about doing string search for journal articles, so adding things like or and to the search words. So it was very useful to learn all those tips. And also, of course, being able to write the commentary on a published paper, which I've never done before. So it was really nice to have that skill to be able to write that commentary. And also being able to extract information from bits and pieces here and there from that article to be able to write the full commentary. It was also really, really nice to do. Yeah. Okay, so within we work on various evaluation projects within my team. So I've used the knowledge that I gained, for instance, the string search that I mentioned earlier, to search for journal articles that relate to the particular projects we're doing, so I can get the relevant articles, especially when we're writing reports. So that has been really helpful for me. And I think it's also been really good because I've always been confused about what is cost consequence analysis, what is cost benefit. So having that knowledge of the difference between each of those different types of evaluation has been really, really helpful. Yeah. Yeah, I believe it can. Yes, absolutely. Most of the time researchers, they come up with all these fantastic ideas and innovations. But with rapid evaluation like the one we did, it would be really helpful, to compare what they've done with other innovations and treatments, and then we'll be able to understand, which method or which innovation is more economically viable, which one is more financially sensible. So it will really help. I think it will really help in decision making. Yeah. Yeah, my most valuable takeaway is, initially when I see health economic papers like that, I'm be like, oh my God, what is this? What is this all about? Unraveling all the various terms and everything. But now it's easier for me to understand. I can easily go in and read properly to actually understand the paper. So I think it's really helpful in that regard. So economic papers, I'd say they are less daunting for me now compared to before. Yeah.